This video is about limiting reactants. In each of the flasks, I have 50 milliliters of vinegar with some universal indicator. As you can see, the universal indicator is red because that is the color it should be in an acid, which vinegar is. In each balloon, I have a different amount of baking soda. In the first balloon, I have 1 gram, and then 2 grams in the yellow balloon. In the green one, I have 4, and then the blue one, I have 6. We're going to mix these and look at how the reactions form. So we'll start with the 1 gram. Give it a little swirl. While that's going, I'm going to get the 2 gram going. Continue to let that react. Get the 4 gram going here. All right, and then also get the 6 gram going. I'll go ahead and give them all a little bit more of a mix. So we'll look a little closer here. This one's done reacting, as you can see from the top down. There's not really anything sitting at the bottom. That's our height of our balloon. The next one, also, don't really see anything sitting at the bottom. Compare the 2 balloon sizes, we can see a definite increase from orange to yellow. Swirling this one, still has a little bit more to react. We'll wait till the bubbles stop. We do see a little bit of color changing as well. Notice that these are both still pretty red, but we're getting a little more orange in this one. And there is a little bit of remnants at the bottom there. And the last one, still reacting. We can see the color is changing even more here. And then we should see some baking soda still sitting at the bottom. And so if we look here, comparing our size, we go from orange to yellow. We see a pretty proportional increase from 1 to 2 gram. And then from yellow to green, we see a similarly proportional increase from 2 to 4 gram. And then if we look at the last 2, these balloons, I would say, are the same size. So we would expect, if things just kept ramping up when we went from 4 to 6, that it would increase in size proportionally to the rest. But we see that that is not the case. And then again, looking at the bottom here, we see red, kind of orange, kind of yellowy green, and we can definitely see some stuff at the bottom of the last flask, more so. There's like a little bit here, not as easy to see, but you can see that there's definitely still baking soda at the bottom that did not react. So take your observations for a 1, 2, 4, and 6 gram reaction with 50 milliliters of vinegar each.